Microfiber cleaning cloths. 5 tips for cleaning success. Be sure to use the appropriate color cloth for its designated cleaning area. Refer to your specific cleaning program for color coding reference. Fold the clean microfiber cloth in half, then in half again. You now have 8 clean sides of the cloth to use. Rotate sides between areas or when soiled. Hold the cloth over the intended surface to be cleaned and spray chemical directly onto the microfiber cloth. For disinfectants, follow label instructions for application and contact times. When cleaning, work from high to low and clean to dirty. For example, in the bathroom, you would want to clean higher surfaces first, and the last surface cleaned should be the toilet. After cleaning the toilet, the cloth should be put into the soiled laundry bag and not used again until laundered. Use a designated receptacle for gathering soiled microfiber. It is important to launder microfiber separate from other textiles. This will help maintain the microfiber's cleaning performance and prevent linting.